name is Luna. I am 9 years old. I live in a small village, a very small village. My village is very quiet and boring. Nothing exciting ever happens here. The days are always the same, every single day. In the morning, I wake up. I eat my breakfast. Then I go to school. At school, I learn my lessons. I do my homework. Then I come back home. At home, I eat dinner with my family. I do more homework. Then I go to sleep. Every day, the same routine. Wake up, go to school, come home, do homework, sleep. It is so boring. I wish something different would happen. Something exciting, something magical. But nothing ever changes in my quiet little village. One day, something different happens. Something very different. I am in my bedroom. It is a quiet afternoon. I am bored. Very bored. I look around my room, searching for something to do. I see my bed, my old comfortable bed. I see my toys scattered on the floor. I have played with them 1,000 times. I see my closet in the corner, my old wooden closet. Wait, what is that? There is something strange, something glowing. Behind my closet, I see a light, a blue light. It is shining, glowing softly in the darkness. I walk closer. My heart is beating fast. I push my closet to the side. It makes a loud noise. There is a small door, a door I have never seen before. The door is very old. It is made of dark wood. It has strange symbols carved on it. The symbols look ancient, like a secret language from long ago. I reach out my hand. I touch the door gently. It is warm. The door is warm to the touch. Suddenly, the symbols start to glow. They shine with a magical light. They are blue and gold, beautiful colors dancing together. I am scared. My hands are shaking. But I am also curious, very curious. What is behind this door? Where does it lead? I take a deep breath. I grab the door handle. I turn it slowly. I open the door. Wow. Behind the door, there is another world. A completely different world. I step through the doorway. I leave my bedroom behind. I am not in my house anymore. I am in a beautiful forest. This forest is magical. The trees are huge, bigger than any trees I have ever seen. They are purple and pink, with leaves that sparkle and shine. The grass beneath my feet is silver. It glows softly with its own light.